Welcome to day 19 of 30 days Excel challenge. Today we are going to deal with a different topic. As you know, the world is being ruled by artificial intelligence, and Excel also have some powerful features which is powered by artificial intelligence. So let us explore what are the different features in Excel that uh, using which artificial intelligence we can make our work more productive. Suppose, as you can see, I have already explained you about add-in feature in Microsoft Excel. You can go to Home tab. You can explore this add-ons. If you click on this add-on, this kind of structure will get appears. So there are multiple add-ons here, but right now we are going to discuss about an add-on called as ChatGPT for Excel. So as you see, this is an important add-on. So I have already installed it. So I'm not installing it right now. If you did not install it, you just go to this add option available here. You just click there and install this particular add-on. So I have already installed it. So let us check how this ChatGPT add-on helps us in our data analysis and in our day-to-day work life. Suppose I'm working with a particular data and I want an information about the Prime Minister of France. So I'm just typing like this. Who is the Prime Minister of Italy? So I just wanted to know this information. Just you can come here. There is a simple function called as AI.ask. AI.ask. And you can simply select this. And if you close the bracket and press enter, automatically Excel will go to the artificial intelligence and it will get connected to the ChatGPT and it will fetch you the data. As you can see, as of September 2021, the Prime Minister of Italy is Mario Draghi. So like that, you can fetch the information. Since ChatGPT model, ChatGPT model is restricted only to September 2021. So that's why it can fetch only information related to that model. So when it comes to the current affairs, it cannot fetch the perfect information. Suppose if you give a question like how to cook Hyderabadi biryani. Since I am a vegetarian, I just wanted to know in vegetarian style. So if you click S here, so since you have given this cell as a reference, automatically this Excel feature goes into that. This Excel takes this question to the ChatGPT and fetches you the information. If you wrap this cell, automatically, as you can see, this is how the information is framed. 2 cups of basmati rice, 1 cup of mixed vegetables, 1 large onion, half cup yogurt, and it given you the entire procedure of cooking a vegetable biryani around here. As you can see, like that you can explore with different kinds of questions. That is up to your imagination. And when you click this and you explore this, it is only just the free trial has only 1888 AI calls. I think it's up to 100 AI calls. If you want to purchase any model, you can click this and you can purchase these models. So since we are exploring with this option, I just wanted to tell you only about the free plan. And there is another important thing, like suppose you're preparing for CAT examination. So you type prompt like this: I am preparing for CAT examination and I am a working professional. Please make me a daily timetable where only I can spend 4 hours for my studies. So I want the timetable in tabular format. So this is my command and this is my prompt, and I just simply type AI dot instead of ask. This time I select table. As I want the information to be structured in table, I am just selecting this AI table and I just give this cell as a reference and I'm just closing my formula. Now let us see the magic here. As you can see, the AI function is working pretty well. It has generated the timetable. As you can see, this is the time slot and this is the activity that we can do. I'm not sure that it taken my condition into the consideration. Like I can spend 4 hours for my study, but it has generated me more than 4 hours timetable. It is not that much accurate. The model still has to be developed. So but it is pretty much fine when it compares to the previous AI model. So what I feel is you just experiment with it. If it works, it is fine. If it doesn't works, just make some adjustments and just take whatever you want from this AI model. So thank you very much, guys. Have a great day.